What's going on, Rejuvenation? Welcome to 2018. If you guys haven't heard, this year we're going to be doing a giveaway, giving away 12 pairs of Yeezys, and Princess just scurried off to the side. But that's 12 pairs of Yeezys, like Pop said, that's going to be one a month. So make sure you guys are subscribed. If you're not already subscribed, hit the notification bell down below so you know whenever we release some new content. I know you haven't seen me in a while. I do a lot of behind the scenes work, but I am here. So let's get into this video. So like I said, this is the first cleaning video of the new year. So today what we're gonna be cleaning is some Adidas Calabasas Powerphases. As you can see, these shoes are pretty trash. We actually picked these up from SneakerCon NYC. Some dude came up and was trying to get them cleaned, but instead of cleaning them, I asked him if we can buy them from him so we can use them for this video. Since we bought them, Vic's been wearing them a little bit, so he got them a little bit more dirty. But the guy said he actually wore these to some kind of music festival or something. So it's not only dirty on the outside, it is dirty on the inside of the liner. We'll get some close-ups of that later to show you guys how that is. He said he wore them, like I said, some music festival. He said it was raining, it was muddy, but Vic has been wearing them a little bit, so they got a little bit more dirty. But let's go ahead and get into this video, man, get these cleaned up for you. So for comparison reasons, what we're gonna be doing is cleaning the right shoe today. So first we're gonna put the left shoe to the side. First step, let's make sure not to forget a step, is put the adjustable shoe trees in. You wanna adjust these to size. This is like a 9.5 or a 9, so it's gonna be about the 5th hole. So you wanna insert the shoe trees. The next step you're gonna do, remove the laces. So now that we got the laces removed, let's put these to the side. We'll clean those later. Third step, take some of our solution and pour 2 small squirts into our bowl. And then we're gonna start off using our soft bristle brush to clean the uppers. So the reason we started with our soft bristle brush is to get some of that good foaming action. Like my boy Johnny Bubbles says, get them bubbles going. The more bubbles, the better. So like I said, we're just getting a bunch of foaming action going on here, soaping these up, and then we're gonna move on to the next brush. So since we got the soft brush out already, we're gonna go ahead and hit this liner because as you can see, it is pretty filthy right here. So like I said, using the soft brush, you wanna go ahead and hit this liner. So we about finished up with the soft bristle brush. I wanna go ahead and wipe these down just so we can see. I mean, as you can see on the towel already, there's a bunch of dirt that already came off of this, but kind of want to see where we're at with this. So I'm just gonna wipe it down a little bit. So after wiping it down, I did notice that there are some like deeper stains here on the midsole. The upper could use a little better treatment. So we're gonna go ahead and move on to our next brush, which is our medium all-purpose brush. So that'll be this guy right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and go back over the whole entire shoe with this. Hit the liner a little bit because it is kind of some deeper stains right here, as you can see on this part of the liner, on this part of the heel. So let's get into this with this all-purpose. So now that we've finished up with the all-purpose brush, I am gonna wanna clean these outsoles because as you guys can see, these things are muddy. And then I'm also gonna go over the toe cap area and some of the other stuff too. So let's move on to our stiff bristle brush for that. So a thing I noticed about these is this little foam section right here on the midsole gets really dirty. So this stiff bristle brush is gonna be really good to clean that area. So now that we got the outsole done, before we throw these in the laundry bag, we're not gonna forget about cleaning these laces. So you wanna dip these in your bowl of solution. What I like to do is just rub these between your fingers. You can cue the sexy saxophone man music, like my boy Johnny Bubbles over there. Try to get as much of this soap on the towel, because I know how you guys are about soap on desks. So now that we got these all lathered up, you can do a pretty good job just using your hands, but we're gonna also wanna throw these in the laundry bag also. So you wanna just put these in the shoe, adjust the tongue a little bit, wipe off your dirty hands. Next, what we're gonna do is throw these in the laundry bag, which I seem to have right here. So you wanna take these, put them in your laundry bag. Make sure to keep the shoe tree in, because I know we get a lot of questions about that. Keep the shoe tree in when you throw it in the wash. You wanna secure your laundry bag. Tie a little extra knot if you want so it doesn't come loose. Secure the bottom one also. And now, let's go throw these in the washer. So now that we're back here in the washroom, you're gonna wanna throw your shoes into your washing machine. Make sure you turn it on. Make sure it's a small load, because we are only cleaning one shoe, so it doesn't really need to be a big load. Cold water, make sure that's very important. And then you're also gonna wanna use your patented Rejuvenator Sneaker Laundry detergent here. You loosen the cap a little bit, squeeze the bottle to fill it up to an ounce. I'm squeezing. You're gonna wanna pour some of your detergent into your washing machine. Close this up, secure that bad boy. Go ahead and hit the start button. Let the washer do its thing. All right, guys, we are back. We let these dry for a little bit after throwing them into the wash. As you guys can see, these got really clean. The midsoles got cleaned up. The outsoles even got cleaned up. There was a bunch of mud and stuff on here. The one thing I am impressed about is the liner. This liner was actually pretty filthy. The heel was really dirty. On top of the laces was super dirty. So you can see all that got out. The proof is actually in the bottom of this towel right here. So to clean these today, we used Rejuvenator's 3-brush laundry system. We also used our sneaker laundry detergent. One thing we do want to point out about this cleaning is the toe box. So these are super worn before, like I had said. We bought them off of somebody at SneakerCon. So you guys can see the leather is really wrinkled. Something we do offer to help prevent that, if you want to try to hide that a little bit, is our sneaker shields, which you guys can buy on the website. They come in various sizes. So you just pop one of those in here. With this, you may have to trim it a little bit, only because this insole is super glued in. But that's gonna be it for the cleaning, guys. So if you guys aren't subscribed, make sure you guys do that. Hit the notification bell down below. Leave us some feedback in the comment section. We do read all the comments, as you guys do know. Let us know what's the next shoe you guys want us to clean. Stay tuned for the giveaway details also, because you know we are giving away 12 pairs of Yeezys this year. So that's gonna be Fresh G wrapping it up, guys. Until next time.